Hey guys, welcome back to the Positive Spot. I am Stacy Spot and I'll be telling you about our Dave Ramsey fail, the things we did good at, and the things we decided to change, and also how much debt we paid off using his method. So the thing with Dave Ramsey is that you have to be mentally and financially and relationshiply ready to commit to this program. He has these 7 steps. So I'm gonna pop them all up here somewhere. So you're gonna have to save $1,000 for an emergency fund, and you don't touch that literally unless it's an emergency, like life or death. Then you have pay off all your debt except for your house. So that includes cards, phones, credit cards, all the debt, student loans, everything. You save 3 to 6 months of expenses, which that is so terrifying before you even start, but it's pretty cool. Invest 15% of your income. Then you need to save for your kids' college, or if you don't have kids' college. Pay off your home. And then the last thing is to build wealth and make sure that you give back. So those are the 7 steps that he teaches that pretty much you have to live by. And he has this saying like rice and beans, beans and rice, like literally every single cent of your budget is accounted for, and it's in a section. So you literally don't have an extra dollar to spend. So if you're saying $100 in groceries, like you're spending $100 in groceries every month. It is a super strict budget, okay? But it honestly works. We use the Snowball Method. If you guys don't know what that is, I have already made a video on the Snowball Method, which I will link it somewhere up here for it to pop up for you guys so that you can watch that video. And then once we paid off the $9,000 in credit cards, we took all that money and we spent it on our cars. So we paid off my vehicle, my wife's truck, and then we got tired. We got very tired of being on a budget, strict budget. We lost momentum. We paid off about $35,000 using this methods. So it works. It works. It works. Okay. And there's no bad things that I can say about it other than I couldn't do it forever. And I know we probably could have paid off more is the reality if we would have stuck with what he says to do, but we ain't do it. So this is how we are a Dave Ramsey fail. So once we got to the point where we put back almost $800 a month back into our monthly budget, we decided that it was time for us to slow down a little bit and for us to kind of get back to a little bit more of how we kind of want our life to go. And so this is how we broke rules, and this is also what we decided to do going forward. Because I am in nursing school, I do only work part-time, but I am cash flowing tuition because I'm at a community college and tuition is less than $2,000 a semester. I still have my credit cards. I never got rid of them, but I got rid of most of them. But I kept my Amazon credit card because I order from Amazon on a weekly basis, and I can do it responsibly, and we pay off the balances. The next thing is my job matches 6%. So I have continuously contributed to my retirement, and I don't regret it. It's something that I personally decided to do, and we don't feel bad about it. I stopped planning my budget down to I leave at least $200 in the budget, and I actually budget bi-weekly, so to have a buffer, and that's what we use to go out and do fun things, and we use that money for vacations, and that is just how we decided to change our budget. We are saving for our down payment, but I still have student loans. I know, that's pretty bad. That's pretty anti-Dave. We also plan on doing a 30-year mortgage instead of a 15-year mortgage. But we plan on using the money from our debt snowball to apply towards the mortgage so that we can pay off our mortgage on a quicker spin, but we're not going to purposely do the 15-year mortgage. Okay, because in Charlotte, houses are expensive, all right? And 25% on a 15-year mortgage is going to have me in the middle of the hood somewhere. So in summary, I recommend the Dave Ramsey plan. It helped us pay off of a lot of debt, and it helped us become pretty financially responsible now at the end of this. And I think this whole experience has made me and my wife relationship actually even stronger, because now we're financially strong as well as other parts of our relationship. I recommend you guys do it. Work together as a couple, or if you're single, work with yourself. Put yourself on limits, and get rid of that debt, y'all. If you guys have any questions, please put them down in the comments below. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys. Thank you so much for joining me here at the Positive Spa.